Mama wants you to be okay. Because I love you very much. Do you know that? Yeah? Do you love Mama? Do you love Mama? What have you got in your mouth? What is it?
Nothing.
Tell Mommy.
Sugar.
Paris, Paris.
That's Mommy.
Eating sugar.
No, Mommy.
Telling lies.
No, Mommy.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha. Nothing.
You have to say good morning. Say good morning, everyone. Welcome back.
Mom eating
Wait,
sugar.
welcome. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Welcome.
Back to our channel.
Tell them what we're doing.
I'm making coffee.
Show them. Show them. What are you having? Show them what you have. Here.
Sugar.
Okay, so Paris got sugar. And what else? Sugar and?
Mellow.
Show them the Milo. Ding! Bikini Man Milo. Gonna be Bikini Man Milo.
Pickaman Mellow.
Basta ni-sponsor ka sa Milo na yun. Huh?
I'm eating some sugar.
Eating some sugar. It's early in the morning, guys. Maaga ito nagising. Ang ating baby Celine ay nandun pa sa kanyang basin.
He's doing the cot.
That's right, yeah. Because she can't come here with us, yeah?
Yeah, he's going to sit down. You're just me. I'm a big girl.
You're a big girl.
Yeah, and I can talk really loud. Yeah,
You can.
but I can talk and Basin can't talk.
Yeah, she can't talk us yet. She's still a baby. And you're a big girl. That's why.
Yeah, we're both one. Well,
This is Mommy's. Ayan, so magkakape na tayo. So the water just boiled.
this is mine.
That's yours. Yes.
And this is mine too.
Wait, enough na with that, ha? Lamulamok, ha? Sneaky ka na siya, guys. Lamulamok. Storya, pero sige mo nagpunit sa sugar. Hindi ko muna pakita ang aking mukha, guys. Kaya baka matakot kayo.
Mommy, I like sugar.
Hindi ko pa nasaklat mo.
Mommy, I like sugar.
Why do you like sugar, honey? Tell me.
Cause it's tasty.
Is it?
It tastes a tray and it tastes. Yum.
Yum?
Yeah, yummy. It kind of tastes like strawberries.
It's kind of tastes like strawberries. I don't think so.
Or blueberries.
You don't even eat blueberries. Taka ka, eh? Hindi na malagi ka.
Yes, I actually eat them.
Enough na rin sugar. Sa bagong
No.
Sige na, pupunta ko. Ano, It's baby Celine will cry soon. Come on. Yes, our Baba. Hi. Good morning, my love. Good morning, big girl. Hatu. Hatu. Hi. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl, Mama? Mama and Ate just made a coffee. When you are big enough, you will make one with us. You will sit on the bench in the kitchen. You will like it. Ate Paris likes it. Yeah? Are you looking forward to that? Mama too. Mama too. Honey, how was your sleep, Baba? Did you have a good sleep? Did you? Shush, big girl lang kayang Baba, oh? Tingnan niyo man, guys, oh? Oy, big girl! Ang alarm ni Daddy. The alarm. The alarm. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ang Daddy na dyan natulog, oh. Yan ang kanyang bed nowadays. Nanak ba? Hey, Mama's gonna have a coffee, so you'll have your milk. Okay? Agreed? B? Agreed, Mommy. Agreed, Mommy. Welcome back from Celine. My milk pasalabi. My milk pasalabi. Can you see yourself, Nak? Today is the Tuesday, and we are taking Paris to school. Nak, are you coming with us? Staying here. So, si Ate Paris at si Daddy Mike ay nandun na sa sasakyan. Kakatapos ko lang magpadede, kaya naiwan kami dito. So, after namin i-drop ang ating Ate Paris sa school, we will take this little one to the doctors. You going to see the doctors? Are you going to see the doctors, anak? Nag-aalala kasi ako, guys, kasi meron siyang mga bumpy-bumpy sa kanyang skin. So, as usual, yung ginagawa ko, I use Dr. Google. Tapos, ngayon, yung sinasabi is that, kapag na-overswaddle mo siya, yung follicles yata ng hair, parang gumagano, nagbabump-bump. Hala, bakit ganyan ka, anak? Every time na alis na tayo, ay nagpupupo ka. Hala, always ka talaga perfect timing ba? Perfect timing ka palagi. Oh, did that feel good? Every time na nagba-vlog tayo is nagpupupo ka. So, yeah, back to the skin, guys. So, nag-aalala ako kasi merong mga red bumps. And alam niyo naman, as a mother, like, konting kibot, konting mga anik-anik dyan sa katawan, ay nag-aalala agad tayo. So, just for peace of mind, gusto kong pumunta. Uy! Excuse me! And just wanna make sure that there's nothing serious. And she's fine naman, guys. As you can see, tingnan nyo naman siya, oh. Tingnan nyo naman siya, pupo-pupo lang. But, she's got some on her chest as well. So, yeah, kaya nag-aalala ako, guys. And we'll just make sure na pag, kung dry skin lang to or whatever, then we can get, parang prescription kung anong moisturizer yung maganda. At the moment, I'm using the Aveeno na moisturizer for her skin. And, yeah, pag naliligo siya, yung QV bath oil, so, wala talagang sabon. Hindi ko to sinasabunan kasi dapat naman talaga yung mga babies, hindi mo na, sabunan yung skin. Diba, Nak? Yeah, gusto ko lang ipa-check up, guys. And you know what? It's not gonna hurt. You know, like, you go there, wala kang babayaran. And even though may babayaran ka, as long as may peace of mind ka, making sure that your baby is well, na walang ginaramdam, you know, it's all worth it naman. No. So now we have to change your bum. We have to change your bum because you just poo-pooed. Oh, Jo. Say, hi, tita and tito. Hello. Uwe. Ala, hindi pa siya tapos, guys. Guess what? We had to change her outfit. Tingnan nyo. Kasi, tingnan nyo mukha nang nag-explode. Nalagyan ng pupo ang kanyang damit. So, we had to change it. Late na talaga tayo nito, Nak. Are you happy now? As long as you're happy. Mommy's happy. Okay? Ito siyang big girl ni Mama. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang damit, guys. Oh, this is for 3 to 6 months. It's still a bit big, pero hindi talaga sobrang malaki sa kanya. And she's only 2 months old. She's wearing 3 to 6 months. Big girl ikaw ni Mama. Okay, let's go now. Let's go. Dadalhin ko pala to, guys. Tingnan nyo. Meron akong dress dyan. I put it online for sale and yung magpipick up, just in case na gusto niyang pick upin na nandun pa kami sa medical center. At least dala namin and we can just meet somewhere. Ayan, diba? Businesswoman si mami niyo. Businesswoman si mama. Nakoy, no, para makapalit ka og diaper. Isn't that right, nak? Anyways, we'll go now, guys. We'll take you with us and we'll see you soon.
A few moments later.
And then those big flies.
There is big flies.
You be a good girl, Paris, okay?
There's a lot of them.
Shh, Ate Paris. Hey, look at here. You be a good girl, okay?
I got my necklace.
Wow, show them quickly.
I really got still got my mother.
What is that?
My mother.
What is it?
My mother.
Motorer?
That's for sip.
Yeah, it's thermometer.
Mother.
Why are you taking it to school? They might take it now. Just leave it in the car. You play with it when you get home.
Yeah, I will play with it with my dolls and they're sick.
That's
So your
right.
friend your
Yeah.
necklace.
Ang isa ay, oh, gising na gising. Tingnan niyo ang mukha, oh. Mukha nang nakapupo. Are you warm? We're waiting for the doctors now. Hello, Buffet. Are you waiting for the doctors? She's always good when she's here, guys. Tingnan niyo. Hindi pa nga nakalabas yung dalawang kamay niya. Normally, gusto niya makalabas yung kamay niya. Didi. Didi. Are you ready to see the doctors? I think you're next. That's my beautiful girl. Love mo ni sa mama. Nandito na kami, guys. We have plenty of Pfizer vaccine. Walk-ins are welcome. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi, my love. Good afternoon, my beautiful girl. Good afternoon. Ngayon lang kami nakapag-vlog ulit, mga tita, tito. Pagka-uwi namin kanina sa, from the doctors ay umulan at nakatulog sa sasakyan and all, kaya ngayon lang ulit nakapag-vlog si Mami. Ay, chu. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, we're very happy kasi good news ang natanggap namin from the doctors. Pagkapasok namin doon, guys, seriously, sabi ng doktor kaagad kasi nakita niya agad si Baby Celine at gising na gising to, nakita niyo kanina, diba? And then sabi niya, oh, she looks great! Yes? She said, have a look at those cheeks! And sabi niya, sausage, parang parang sausage to yung paa ni Baby Celine. Isn't that right, honey? Do you agree? Do you agree? And then, ito pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Quickly, ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Ito. Tingnan nyo, di ba? May pula-pulang ganyan. Ganyan din sa kanyang mga paa. Ayan. Pinakita ko kaagad sa doktor yung mga bumps nga sa kanyang skin. And then, alam niyo, sabi ng doktor kaagad, sabi niya, have a look at her. She looks very happy. And she doesn't look bothered. Sabi niya, ganyan normal daw talaga yan sa mga babies, especially because they're still growing. And marami daw changes sa kanilang skin. And I explained to her na, kasi it always happens, guys, no? Pag pumupunta tayo sa doktor, kasi meron tayong parang kinukonsulta, hindi nawawala. So alam niyo, pinakita ko yung sa leg niya. Wala siya, guys. Meron siya pero hindi siya gaanong kita talaga. So inexplain ko sa doktor na mostly kasi pag nafe-feel ko yung very rough yung skin ni Baby Celine kapag gabi, kapag chine-change ko yung kanyang napi sa madaling araw, Parang sobrang bumpy talaga. Kaya nag-alala ako, di ba, nak? She's looking at me. Mommy's talking. Alam niyo ba, nilagay ko to siya dito, guys, kasi very comfy ba? Hindi siya nagigising pag nilalapag ko siya. Pero kapag wala yan, ay, nagigising ang baby girl. Nagigising ang baby girl. Kaya, yeah, I'm very happy I went and checked with the doctors kahit na, sinabi niya na wala, normal lang daw, ano. Kasi, at least, yun na nga, mention ko before na for peace of mind, parang, hindi ako mag-aalala every time na i-change ko yung nappy niya ngayon, na very rough yung kanyang skin. Dating ko doon, guys, hindi talaga siya pulang-pula. Wala talaga. Sabi niya, when it comes and go, then it means there's nothing serious about it. Pag nandyan daw siya palagi, then, you know, they will check. Nak, are you in love with mommy, Nak? Are you in love with mommy? Yay! But yeah, super happy, guys. Super happy na. Our baby is fine, manak, no? Mama was just worried now. Because Mama wants you to be okay. Because I love you very much. Do you know that? Yeah? Do you love Mama? Do you love Mama? You love the camera, don't you? Why are you looking straight to the camera? Do you want to be an actress when you grow up? Do you want to be a model now? I want to be a model. I want to be a model. So we're actually getting ready now because we are picking up Ate Paris from school. It's, it's 5 o'clock na. Gusto nga ni Daddy Mike na linisan namin yung sasakyan, but I said, you know, there's no rush. We'll do it tomorrow. I feel lazy. I feel lazy today, this afternoon actually. So we'll just go pick up Ate Paris and then we might go to the supermarket kasi gusto kong mamili ng chicken frames. Gusto kong magtinola para may gatas si mami nyo. Para dito. Na? Do you want milk? Mama will make soup so you'll have a lot of milk. Boy abunda kag milk. Boy abunda kag milk. And I will change her nappy. As you can hear, Daddy Mike is on the phone. Always on the phone, guys. Busy palagi sa work. Yes. Hey. Can you see yourself, Nak? Can you see yourself there? Li 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 li. Li 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 li. Pag siguro I'll just na lang, anong tawag dito? Siguro sa sa damit din, 'di ba? May mga damit kasi siya na nailagay kasama sa mga damit namin, guys, paglaba. So it could be the detergent powder, Nak. Yes, kasi yung sabon na ginagamit ko pa sa mga damit niya, yung pang talaga, yung pang baby. Ay, may nasama man. Mama ni mo, way ayun, Nak. Nasama man sa amin. Kaya siguro yung nasama, nasuot niya, kaya ganyan. Isn't that right, anak? But yeah, you know, I'm feeling okay now that doctor said I don't have to worry too much. Ayun, oh. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think as well. If your babies had this before. I don't know if nagkaganito si Paris before, guys. Probably. Pero wala na ang memory ni mami nyo. It's down the drain na. Nak, no? Wala na ang memory si mama, nak. Memory full na, nak. Ako. And if ever nagka-experience kayo ng ganito, guys, ano yung ginawa nyo? Ano yung, we'll just let it go. Nak, no? We'll change the nappy now so we can go. Say bye-bye, tita and tito for now. We will talk to you later. We'll go pick up Ate Paris. Hi. Say, baboosh. Say, baboosh.
A few moments later.
Here's that little girl. We're outside Ate Paris' school. What was that? What was that, honey? It was too loud. See, she's just chilling and I don't want to jinx it. Asa naman? There they are. There they are. I can't wait to see Ate Paris. Tingnan niyo for sure, straight away, makita niyo kanyang mukha. Smile ka agad yan. Zoom in natin. Ayan, may pinag-uusapan. Hindi ako sinasali. Tingnan niyo.
Yes, Sarah Jane's got a baby.
Hi, little miss.
Mum, tell mummy. What,
Hello.
tell mummy.
A plane.
We're with.
Mary.
Mary was there?
Yeah, I seen her. Hey, come back.
Are you sure that was Mary?
Yeah, I seen her.
Oh, give me a kiss me.
I played with her.
Oh, sure.
She play with her.
Did you
mummy.
miss her? Yeah?
Huh?
Come back. I think,
Phoenix, come back, mummy, as well.
Phoenix is back.
Mommy. Well, why having a purple haircut playing like that?
This one, this is yours. I'm just borrowing it.
Why?
Did you say hi to your sister?
Hi.
Hi, baby Celine.
I touched her.
Good girl.
Say hi, baby Celine.
Hi, baby Celia. I have a good weight here.
You have a what?
I have a good play.
You had a good play.
Yeah, I have a good one.
That's good. That's what I want to hear, sweetheart. You happy we picked you up now? Happy you're here?
Yes, I'm really happy.
Oh, that's good. Okay, we'll go now.
Yes.
I asked Paris, because Paris said she's not happy. I said, why? And she said, Phoenix punched me. And then I said, did Phoenix punch you? She said, no.
What's the truth, honey? Did Phoenix punch you?
No. No.
No?
No.
Why did you say you're not happy?
No.
Are you happy or not?
Yes.
You happy?
Yes, I'm really happy we're married by Netflix.
Okay, alright then.
You're really happy that Mary's back, but not Phoenix.
Yeah, I seen Phoenix.
Yeah.
I seen him.
Okay.
A few moments later.
That's not my llama. Its nose is too fuzzy. Fuzzy? Do you want to touch the nose? Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, it's so fuzzy, Mommy. It's very fuzzy. That's not my llama. Its tail is too hairy. It's too hairy. Do you want to touch the tail? Whoa. Oh, it's hairy, isn't it? It's hairy. And the color of the hair is white. White. See, that's a llama. There's a butterfly in here. There's red and yellow flowers. What's the color of the llama? It's white. White. And there's a mouse on top of it. Can you see the mouse? Can you see the mouse? Ruby? That's not my llama. Its ears are so soft. Do you want to touch the ear? See if it's so soft. Is it soft? Is that true? See the clouds. The sky is so clear. There's a ladybug in here. There's two ladybugs. The end. Ito yung book ni Baby Celine tonight. That's not my llama. Did you like that one? Did you like it? Did you like to see the pictures? See, very colorful. Yeah, good girl, my baba. Ate Paris natin ay nandun pa sa lounge room. This one ay matutulog na. Sleepy na to siya. Sleepy na ito na. We're going to sleep now, tita and tito. Can you see yourself? Lights are off. Guys, iyan na namin yung vlog dito ha. Ang ating Ate Paris ay nandun pa sa labas. Oh. But papatulog ko na to siya. Say thank you everyone for watching our videos and for supporting us. Say thank you everyone. Do you want to say thank you everyone? I hope you enjoyed our video for today, and please give this a thumbs up if you like it, and consider to subscribe to our channel to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.